This is CryptoKernels. I'm your host, Asa Kane. This episode, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at 7-time Super Bowl winning quarterback Tom Brady to see what team he has joined in the world of crypto. And also, we're going to take a look at other high-profile celebrities to see what they've been doing in regards to their endorsements as well. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the like button. That's the thumbs up icon that you see me scrolling over right now. What this does, it helps to share our video with others like yourself who are new to crypto and who want to start learning as much as they can. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button. What that does, it ensures you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes of CryptoKernels. Now, let's take a look at exactly what Mr. Brady is up to. This first article I'm going to share with you is from livebitcoinnews.com, and it was written last month, August the 7th. And as you can see here, it says, Tom Brady featured in new FTX crypto commercial. American football star Tom Brady, who has recently become the celebrity frontman for FTX, a new yet increasingly popular digital currency exchange, was recently featured in an odd yet interesting advertisement for the platform in which he melted a block of ice containing a single Bitcoin with a flamethrower, thus symbolizing that no winner can stop the space from flourishing. Okay. Now, Brady has long been a Bitcoin and crypto advocate. His Twitter profile even features the famous laser eyes, which have become a huge staple for those who like to get involved in the digital currency space. This same symbol has been viewed on the Twitter feeds of people like El Salvador's Bitcoin-loving president. Brady recently discussed his laser eye syndrome and commented on the general state of the crypto market. He acknowledged on social media that the digital currency space is not doing well as of late, with Bitcoin, for example, losing more than 70% from its all-time high of 68,000, which was achieved last November, 10 months ago. The industry has lost more than 2 trillion in total value at the time of the writing. Anyone else got any ideas? Now this is actually, I found the commercial here on YouTube, fair use. Now this, you can see here is the channel. Go to it to see the full length. I'm just going to share a portion of it. You can see here's Tom.
The best ever, right? But he's not thinking about being the best.
Fair use. Go to the channel. I saw it in the video just 10 seconds ago. Go here and watch it.
He wants to
give him some more views.
That's better. That was better. Recover better. Back up. He even wants to eat.
He and the missus, they are big endorsers in the crypto space. Now this right here is the FTX platform website I wanted to show you guys. And to be honest with you, they're no different than any other platform. Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, I mean, you name it. Now this right here, you can see the difference is, though, the big difference. They're endorsed by Bloomberg, CNN, and CNBC. None of the other platforms have that. And we can see Tom, of course, FTX Arena, which has the rights to the Miami Heat Arena, Major League Baseball, and all-time shooting guard, point guard, Steph Curry, Go Warriors. And then right here we can see some of their NFTs. And they have, again, an Apple Store and Google Play. Just like everyone else, I mean, there's no different. Just there are reasons behind the scenes that these celebrities have gravitated toward this site, this platform. And we're going to uncover all of them, but right now we're scratching the surface. Everything comes out in time. And right here, there's another one. We've all seen this guy in a million movies and commercials and shows. Great guy. But that has nothing to do with crypto. As you can see here, this article from Financial Express. Crypto ads starring Matt Damon, Tom Brady vanish from television sets. And this was written just a few weeks, 3 weeks ago, August the 20th, by Bloomberg. As we can see here, Matt Damon's pitch to invest in crypto has disappeared from U.S. television sets. Same goes for glitzy commercials starring LeBron James and Tom Brady. I.e., that's the first one we just talked about. Ironically, the drop in national TV marketing by the industry in the U.S. has coincided with the sell-off in Bitcoin and other crypto assets, according to the TV and measurement company iSpot TV Inc., which tracks the spots. Damon's commercial for Crypto.com, which ends him uttering "Fortune favors the brave," last aired in February during the Superbowl. The 4-month national campaign cost an estimated $65 million, according to iSpot, exceeding the outlays by others in investment services, including giants such as Fidelity and Vanguard over the same stretch. Ad settlers shouldn't expect growth in this vertical the remainder of the year due to the crash in crypto and emerging allegations of fraud we've been talking a lot about the last couple of weeks among companies in the crypto market, said Eric Hagelstrom, Director of Business Intelligence at Advertiser Perceptions, an industry researcher. Crypto has been a boom and bust industry since its inception, and advertising budgets will follow the same trajectory. Take notes of these things. This is the whole point of the video. This is to get you to not just give you information, but to get you to process it and think about it. In order to process it, you have to think about it. Right here, $40 in free crypto from Coinbase and $25 from Crypto.com just for signing up using our links. And also be sure to finally get yourself a ledger. Again, most of you don't have a ledger. You're buying coins, you're leaving them on exchanges, whether it's FTX, Coinbase, Crypto.com, and you're leaving your money open to be stolen. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. You put your crypto, you move it from the exchange, whatever exchange you have it on, onto your cold storage wallet. You can take your money with you anywhere you go in the world, even if you lose the wallet, as long as you have your seed phrase, your 12 words or 14 words depending. You can always retrieve it. Now, if this video has been of value to you, make sure that you contribute by donating to our Cash App or our ERC20 address with any ERC20 token. Got a lot of things going on this week, so make sure you stay tuned. Until the next time, get in there and make it happen.